Namaste. On this auspicious occasion of Sankashtahara Chaturthi, invoke Lord Ganesha through Vatapi Ganapati, a Sanskrit kriti composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar, set in Hamsadwani Raga and Aditala. It is one of the most iconic Carnatic compositions, traditionally sung at the beginning of concerts. This song praises Lord Ganesha, specifically as Vatapi Ganapati, whose idol was brought from the Chalukyan capital Vatapi, modern-day Badami, to Tamil Nadu by the Pallava general Paranjoti. The lyrics glorify Ganesha as the remover of obstacles, the bestower of boons, and the divine protector, worshipped by sages like Agastya. It also describes his elephant-headed form, his residence in the Mooladhara Chakra, and his association with Vishnu and Shiva. Hope you enjoy. Vatapi Ganapatim bhaje ham 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 Varanam Syamvara Pradham Shiva Ranam Syamvara Pradham Shiva Ranam Syamvara Pradham Shiva Vatapi Ganapatim bhaje ham Varanam Syamvara Pradham Shiva Vatapi Ganapatim bhaje ham Bhutadi Samsevita Charanam Bhutadi Samsevita Charanam Bhutadi Samsevita Charanam Bhuta Bhuktika Prapancha Bharanam Bhutadi Samsevita Charanam Bhuta Bhuktika Prapancha Bharanam Vitajaginam Vinuta Yoginam Vishwakaranam Vignavaranam Vatapi Ganapatim bhaje ham Varanam Syamvara Pradham Shiva Vatapi Ganapatim bhaje ham Pura Kumbha Sambhava Munivara Prapujitam Trapunamadhyagatam Murari Pramukhadyupastitam Mooladhara Kshetra Stitam Patadi Chadvari Vagatmakam Pranava Swarupa Vakratundam Nitrantaram Nitalashandra Kandam Nijavamakarave Pratejudandam Nitrantaram Nitalashandra Kandam Nijavamakarave Pratejudandam Karambujapashabhijapuram Kalushaviduram Bhutaharam Arati Kurupahatoshita Bimbam Hamsattani Bhushita Heramam Karambujapashabhijapuram Kalushaviduram Bhutaharam Arati Kurupahatoshita Bimbam Hamsattani Bhushita വാ